Hello friends, how are you? This is Devyani Singh and welcome back my channel. In this video I present to you vintage kitchen decoration idea. When you are trying to achieve a vintage kitchen, it's all about incorporating elements that evoke the charm and nostalgia of an era past. From color palettes to materials and accessories. Choose a color palette, select pastel or earthy color to instantly create a warm, inviting vintage vibe. Some colors that scream vintage are soft blue, mint green, sunny yellows, or creamy white. Incorporate classic pattern, add wallpaper or touch of fabric.